So here's the very popular Formula CBRs, crossover Bowriders. These are the outboard versions. So the first is the 350 CBR. So she's got 350 Mercury Verados. Nice aft-facing area here. Beautiful sure shade extending along. And we've got this really nice U-shaped seating here on the starboard. Forward of that is your helm. Some bolstered seating here. And so, unlike the CCS, the CBR crossover Bowrider has an open area here. So you just walk straight through to the bow. So you've got the performance hull and then all the benefits of having a Bowrider functionality. Pretty cool, 35-foot boat. You do have a nice wind guard here. So here, the helm area opens up with this pivot door that's kind of hidden away. And then you can step down into the guest accommodations. So this has a berth the whole way across, so you can easily sleep in here. You have a dedicated head here with built-in shower functionality. So a little escape down here. This would be a nice boat if you had some kids and wanted an air-conditioned area to get them out of the heat while everyone's enjoying the day on the water. It's really nice. Has a magnetic stop on it. And then opposing the port side, you do have storage down here. So this is the 350 CBR. If you want specs, you get that at yachtspecsdirect.com.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Can I answer any questions for you?
No, I'm good. I'm just kind of doing some YouTube.
Just perusing.
Yep. Getting a feel for it. Thank you. They still make the inboard version?
They do. You
Okay.
can do stern drive or outboard
Okay.
in all three of these. The 310 is the smallest version we do as an outboard
Okay. Okay.
option.
Gotcha.
Otherwise, like a 290 or a 270, those are stern drive only.
Got it. Got it. Okay. Cool. Thank you.